First in India, male. First Governor of Bengal, Lord Clive, 1757 to 60. Last Governor of Bengal, Warren Hastings, 1772 to 74. First Governor General of Bengal, Warren Hastings, 1774 to 85. First Governor General of India, Lord William Bentinck, 1833 to 35. Last Governor General and first Viceroy of India, Lord Canning, 1856 to 62. First President of Indian National Congress, W.C. Banerjee. First and last Indian Governor General of Independent India. C. Rajagopalachari, 21/6/1948 to 25/1/1950. First Indian to pass ICS. Satyendranath Tagore, 1863. First Indian ICS officer. Satyendranath Tagore, year of joining 1864. First Governor General of India after independence and last British Governor General of India, Lord Louis Mountbatten, 15 August 1947 to 20 June 1948. First Indian cosmonaut to go into space, Squad Leader Rakesh Sharma. First temporary president of the Constituent Assembly, Dr. Sachidanand Singha. First commander in chief of Free India, General K.M. Karyappa. First Indian Nobel laureate, Rabindranath Tagore. First Indian judge of the International Court of Justice, Dr. Nagendra Singh. First Indian to get Bharat Ratna Award, Dr. S. Radhakrishnan. First Field Marshal, General S. F. J. Manekshaw. The President of Constituent Assembly, Dr. Rajendra Prasad. First Indian to swim across the English Channel, Mihir Sen. First Indian to get Janpith Award, G. Shankar Kuru. First Muslim President of Indian Republic, Dr. Zakir Hussain. First Indian to win Park Strait Ocean Swimming Contest, Baidyanath Nath. First Speaker of Lok Sabha, G.V. Mamlankar, 1952 to 57. First person to make printing press popular in India, James Hickey. First Education Minister of Independent India, Maulana Abul Kalam Azad. First President of Indian Republic, Dr. Rajendra Prasad. First Prime Minister of Independent India, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. First Home Minister of Independent India, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. First Vice President of Independent India, Dr. S. Radhakrishnan. First Chief of Air Staff, Air Marshal Sir Thomas Elmhurst. First Indian Air Chief of India, Air Marshal Subrata Mukherjee. First Chief of Army Staff, General Maharaja Sri Rajendra Singh Ji Jadeja. First Chief of Naval Staff of India, Vice Admiral R.D. Kathari. First CDS, Chief of Defence Staff of India, Gen. Bipin Rawat. First person to get Paramveer Chakra, Major Somnath Sharma. First Indian scientist to get Nobel Prize, C.V. Raman, Physics. First scientist of Indian origin to get Nobel Prize in the field of medical science, Dr. Aurobindo Khorana. First Chinese pilgrim to visit India, Fahin. First scientist of Indian origin to win Nobel Prize in Physics, Subramanya Chandrasekhar. First NSA, National Security Advisor of India, Brajesh Mishra. First Indian to win Stalin Award, Saifuddin Kichlev. First Indian to win Magsaysay Award, Acharya Vinoba Bhave, 1958. India's first minister to resign from Union Cabinet, Shyama Prasad Mukherjee, 1950. India's first election commissioner, Sukumar Sen. First Muslim president of Indian National Congress, Badruddin Tayabji. First Chief Justice of India, Justice Hiralal J. Khania. First person to submit the proposal of Indian independence in Indian Congress session, Maulana Hazrat Mohani. First Indian to climb Mount Everest without oxygen cylinder, Sherpa Phu Dorji climbed on 9th May 1984. First foreign recipient of Bharat Ratna, Khan Abdul Ghaffar Khan. First Indian recipient of Nobel Prize in Economics, Dr. Amartya Sen. First Indian pilot, J.R.D. Tata, 1929. First Indian to reach Antarctica, Lieutenant Ram Charan 1960. First Deputy Prime Minister of India Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. First Indian Prime Minister to resign from office Morarji Desai. First President of India to die in office Dr. Zakir Hussain. First man to climb Mount Everest twice Nawang Khombu Sherpa. First Indian to reach the South Pole Colonel J.K. Bajaj. First American President to visit India David Eisenhower. First British Prime Minister to visit India, Harold Macmillan. First Indian author to get Anderson Award, Ruskin Bond. First Indian to win World Billiards Trophy, Wilson Jones. First Indian space tourist, Santosh George Kulangaram. First Chief Justice of India, born in independent India, Justice Sarosh Homi Kapadia, September 29, 1947. First Indian to win Golden Globe Award, A.R. Rahman. First Indian Prime Minister to visit India, Nicola A. Bulganin. First individual gold medalist at Olympic, Abhinav Bindra. First Indian member of British Parliament, Dadabhai Nahroji. First Indian to win a medal at Women Badminton Championship, Prakash Padukone.